Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre back another day with another unboxing. If you have ever seen me before, it's pretty clear that my favorite brand is Deux. It's my go-to brand when it comes to clothing. And about 2 years ago, I suddenly needed to have a cap, so I bought this one, and I really like it. Fits me fine. But the more I used it, or the more I needed it, oh, I have nice hair, so I don't complain about that. But the more I used it, the more I understood that it's not that easy to find a good fitting cap. I wanted to find my other caps to make a long story out of this as usual, but I couldn't find all of them. So I got this as a gift, so I really like it for sentimental value. And it looks good, nice red color and brown suede. But it is too deep for me. I think it looks good, but it feels like I'm having my ears like this, and so yeah. And having it on top like that, nah, but I like it. And standard one from Nike sort of also feels good, but just doesn't look as good. So I'm very happy with the Deux. And another thing worth mentioning for my own sake is that I have a valve in my brain. A shunt is the Swedish word for it. I don't know what the English word is. Which means that I can't have caps fitting tight, and I can't have them a certain depth, height. So yeah, this is the perfect cap for me. And I get compliments on. The only thing is that I used it a lot, more or less daily for 2 years, and I clean it a lot. So this is suntan and cleaning tan. So it's not supposed to look like this, but I still like it. This is my, like, the easiest thing for me is to just, when I shower, just to put the cap on to make the hair flat, and then it looks like this. And maroon is my favorite color, so I really like this one. Fits perfect with 2 or 3 jackets that I have. I really like this one. So my birthday was a week ago or something, and my family asked me what I wanted. I said, no, there is nothing that I need or want. Well, I could have a new cap like this. So they gave me money to buy 3 caps, and here they are. I wanted, or I was just going to get me another one like this, but I ended up getting something more. And they had one that was all blue, which the logo was also blue, but I missed that one. So the first one is blue with maroon, so perfect mix. Yeah, so right away feels just fine. Right away, perfect in size and depth and everything. I really like their caps. Feels nice. And the other two looks very similar, but they are not. So one of them is just like the old one, but it's not actually. I'm pretty sure they're both called Encore, but back in the days we used to count the stripes on the, yeah, they are not exactly the same actually. Very suntan and washed out, but so 4 stripes, 7 stripes, but they are called the same, and most important, they feel the same. So I'm thinking I'm going to be happy with the new one. I'm still going to keep this. This is my bad weather cap now. And then the third one looks the same, but has the suede brim, but it's not like the other one either. So this is new. So less stripes on them, and the suede on the new one feels like silk, shorter hair suede, and on the old one is longer hair suede. And I don't mind this. I was actually afraid I was going to look, I don't know. I'm guessing that this can handle bad weather, rain, better than the old suede. But now when they look the same, it feels like I used to have two very similar caps. So for that reason, this was sort of unnecessary, because I wanted this suede cap because it was supposed to look like suede. This one doesn't look like suede. It looks the same. Feels nice, feels the same. But yeah, and I missed out on the one that was all blue. But I highly recommend Deux in general, and I highly recommend their caps because they look good and feel good. And yeah, it's just that the suede part was more suede, longer hair suede, softer suede on the older ones. And I don't mind this at all. It's just that now it really looks like I have two, or I have three, more or less the same. So yeah. But some new caps. I think I like this one the best, maybe, because marine, blue, and maroon are my favorite colors. Yeah, I like this. I like this. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. As I said, I highly recommend Deux in general. I highly recommend their caps. If you have any questions, just ask me. And of course, I will remove the tags. Thanks.